Edo State Governor Mr. Godwin Obaseki don go check some road work and other projects for Benin City. Im promise say dem go finish the work fast with better quality. The Permanent Secretary Road and Bridges Mr. Osike Ojo and Special Advisor Strategy Policy, Project and Management Sarah Esangbedo Ajose Adeogu and other top government ogas dem na follow Governor Obaseki for the check. Some of the projects wey Governor Obaseki check na 7.62 km Idowina Road, 818 Textile Mill Road, Ekenwan Road, Newfound Lane, Sapler Road, and 2.8 km cover and open drain for 5 junction, all for Benin City. The 2.8 km drain wey Governor Obaseki check for 5 junction go carry water from Canaan Street off Textile Mill Road, 2nd West, through NTA, Kada House with discharge point for Egosa Grammar School. Governor Obaseki-led administration don prioritize infrastructure development to take attract investment, create jobs, and to make people fit live well. Since he enter office for 2016, the governor don carry plenty state money take develop road to make am easy to go villages and to open up towns for new development. Dis na the ogbonge news wey TMC TV bring come give una. Make una no forget say your PVC na your power and your strength for this year election. From Benin City, Ekata Ojesele, TMC TV News.